Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marley, also known as ItsaCurlysituation. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, we're trying another deep conditioner, and that is the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. And it looks like this. And this is pretty old, guys. Smells pretty good, kind of floral. My hair is dripping all over. If you're new here, I usually do my hair in the shower, but I'm trying to do more reviews on deep treatments. So it's pretty thick, you guys. Like, wow, super thick, not coming out. Whoa, I wasn't expecting it to be so thick. Super thick. I have a new setup. I'm really trying to get the best lighting area in my room, so bear with me in my backgrounds. Also, I'm trying to be more detailed with my videos because a lot of you guys are asking for more details, so I'm also working on that. But I literally washed my hair 2 times. So dirty and itchy. So I have my spray bottle of warm water here. I'm gonna just put this over me just slightly. Spray bottle of warm water, and we're gonna go ahead and start. And then I will read what it says for you guys. I usually am styling my hair on soaking wet hair in the shower. So this is new. I'm just gonna put about that much. It's really thick, you guys. It smells really good. I'm gonna read it to you guys. Let's have a slip on there. It smells really good. So that was just one application. It says repair damage caused by overprocessing. Just one use of this intensive treatment helps strengthen by reducing breakage up to 76%. Powered by reparative proteins and butters, this nutrient-rich strengthening cream smooths to naturally reinforce and revitalize abused hair fibers. It just says the ingredients. A Manuka honey and yogurt blend and deep conditioning formula that fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. Leave hair soft, supple, irresistibly touchable. These words are so tiny. It says apply a quarter size amount. That was more than the quarter size amount because I don't feel like my hair was even touched by it. Look, more than the quarter size, so you definitely need more than a quarter size for this. I'm gonna split this and then apply more of the leave-in. I don't know why I feel like I'm not gonna like this. It's not as slippery. It just feels like you're just applying some thick cream on your hair. I don't feel it doing anything to my hair. Typically when I use a deep conditioner, I can feel it like conditioning my hair, and this feels like it's kind of sitting on my hair. I'm not excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the deep treatment, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so I've applied the deep conditioner, and I've used a good amount, probably about a fourth of the conditioner. This conditioner doesn't have any slips, so be careful when you use those. And it says to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes and I'll come back when I'm all done. I put a plastic bag on my head and I put my heat cap on my head, so that's what I'll be doing. I just don't have it with me right now, but I will be putting that on, and I'm gonna come back when my hair is all done. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Take off my plastic cap. Here is my hair. My hair does feel very soft. Very, very soft. So that's a good sign that it might have left some moisture in my hair. But I'm gonna keep my twists in, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Okay, I have rinsed my hair. Let's see what it's looking like. So it feels really soft, you guys, so that's really a good thing. Let's just untwist it and see what it's looking like. So it feels really, really soft. It feels really, really soft. So I would say it did moisturize my hair. It doesn't feel strengthened. So I don't know about that, but as far as moisture, I would say this definitely did moisturize my hair. It doesn't have slip though, so I don't think I'll be going back in with this. Of course I have to try it once more. I always try my products twice before I like make my final decision, and I'm going to try it in the shower and see if I love it. But overall I give it a 3 out of 5 stars because it has no slip and my hair doesn't feel strengthened, but it does feel moisturized and it smells pleasant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.